gotta throw on my silk. I have to throw on my silk. It's only right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DILYLAH.FERRARI and I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the title of this video, I keep saying video, but this video is going to be about this beautiful silver hair that I got in. You guys, I need y'all to just take a look at this, guys. I feel so pretty in this hair. I just feel like Rapunzel. It's very, very long. I feel like, I don't know, I'm a queen or something with the silver hair. So lately I have been rocking silver hair and I just love it. I love the compliments. I love the attention that it brings. It just, I don't know, people just been giving me great advice, this is your color, African American, well, brown skin women look really good in silver hair, colored hair, period. And lately it's been a trend all over social media where everyone is just doing colors, and I think I found my color, guys. So this hair is not sponsored, guys. I just decided to buy some hair off of AliExpress. I haven't bought hair from AliExpress in a very, very long time, and I have decided to just purchase me some hair. I've had this hair for over a month now. I have been rocking it. Okay, there's an airplane going by and it's kind of loud in my area, but guys, I am highly satisfied. This hair is so beautiful. You can see for yourself. I'm gonna show you this one step that I did to get this color, guys, and you won't regret watching this video because all you gotta do is go buy it. Now, I bought my Shimmer Light conditioner from a wholesale store out in Miami, Florida. So you can find yours off of Amazon. I will leave a link down below for you. I'll leave two links, one Amazon link and a Sally's link. If anyone knows Sally's and there's one near you, stop by that store and you won't regret it, okay? I love Sally. But before I show you guys how I got this hair, guys, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this hair because this hair just looks so pretty on me. I don't know. And guys, I didn't even glue it down yet, as you can see. And I didn't put makeup on my roots. I didn't even pluck it or anything. I did my wig about a month ago, and as usual, I just do my wigs. I don't pluck. I don't got time for that. So I just put a little bit of makeup on the forehead area, and then I go about my day. But people always like it. I just don't be having time to do the plucking and everything. I will upload another video on this hair being straightened. So I washed this hair with just conditioner and it came out like this. When I bought this hair, it was bone straight. If you watch my previous videos, you'll see me wearing this hair. It was just a straight blonde hair. It was like this color, but really yellow. I left this hair because, I don't know, it looked kind of cute to me. It's like streaks of blonde, and then the whole bottom part is like a silver color. All is one color, but then the top, it has streaks of blonde. It's just so cute to me. This hair is from the only Queen Lime 100 human hair from AliExpress. I will leave their link down below. The only reason why I'm doing a review on this hair is because reading is very fundamental, guys. And I read back here. It says, you get money reward, okay? You get money rewards when you buy this hair and you do a review. So I want my coins, right? it says that you get $20 to $50 cash if you do a YouTube video. And if you leave like a picture, a positive comment and a picture, you get $5 reward on AliExpress with their company. And I'm not doing it just to get the money. I really like this hair. Like, I'm gonna keep buying from this vendor. This vendor is Queen Lime 100 Human Hair, and it's the bomb. Like, they even have their social medias right there when you buy with them, like their Instagram, Facebook, their YouTube, their stores, all listed here in this beautiful card. It came in a plastic bag and they gave me a free scrunchie. I like this hair. Like, I really like it. So they give you a bunch of hair care instructions right here on the bottom. This is very important because a lot of people that don't know nothing about weave, they just buy the hair and then they ruin the hair and they wonder, how did my hair get ruined? And you didn't follow the instructions. That's how your hair got ruined. So this hair was a bone straight hair, and look at the natural states. That's how you know this is real hair, guys. I'm about to tell you guys the price. Okay, we're gonna talk about the price. You guys, I paid, I believe, $220 for a 20-inch frontal ear to ear. I didn't glue it down yet because I need to re-up on my ghost bond, but it's a 20-inch, I believe 22-inch if I'm not mistaken. I think 20-inch frontal ear to ear. It is a 26-inch, 3 bundles of 26-inch, and it's past my booty. Like, usually, you see, look, usually a 30-inch will pass, like, you know, past my booty, but this 26-inch looking like a 30-inch. It's really long, guys, and I would suggest for you guys to go buy this hair. It feels amazing. I'm glad I colored it because it came out popping. Okay, so the oil that I like to use is the Garnier Fructis. I hope I'm saying that right. Sleek and Shine, guys. You can get this from Walmart, $5. I'll also leave the link down below so you can purchase it and save you some coins off of Amazon. So I like to do just a few pumps. I was watching Aaliyah J the other day, and she carries this thing everywhere she goes, she said. So I'm about to start doing that, just having an extra bottle in my bag, because it really stopped the frizziness, and it really have your hair looking like popping. Like, I like it. And especially that this hair is silver, you want it to have that shine to it. But you guys, I'm going to stop rambling, and as you can see, the hair is really nice. Please visit their store. I'll leave the link down below. And don't forget to like this video, guys, if you're feeling this hair. I have a lot more on the way. I have a lot of makeup tutorials coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button right after you subscribe, guys. It's very important for you to hit that bell button because I got a lot coming your way, honey. Let's keep it going. See you guys in my next video. So you guys, I'm about to turn this wig into gray, and this is how you do it. I just made this wig not too long ago, and all you need is some water to allow your thing to fill, or you can use a bucket. And I'm going to use my Shimmer Light conditioner. It's the blonde and silver, so most likely my hair will be turning silver. Okay, pour that as like that. I hope it don't stay in my sink, to be honest. And then look at my nose. Do it, don't do it, do it, don't do it. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Oh. Shimmer light. Oh, didn't think so. Now I'm just going to push the entire wig in there.